So the next couple of questions are, have you had any jobs other than being a scientist, from Warren and Rishvan? Yes. They've mainly been summer jobs while I was at college and at university. I've been a cashier at a garden centre and a cleaner in a halls of residence during my summers, and also been a barmaid in a little pub in the country. So, but I have always wanted to be a scientist, so those were usually just a way of bringing in some extra money over the course of summers. The second question today is from Eliana and Maria. Was there any time that you were really struggling with your studies or career and almost gave up on being a scientist? Yes. The most significant thing that I had a problem with was that I was really awful at maths, and my mum saw me struggling, and she realised that if I wanted to go into the physical sciences, then being better at maths would be really useful. It's not vital because there's a lot of different jobs to do with space, so you don't need the maths, but for what I wanted to do, the research and the numerical modelling, I definitely needed that. So we got a tutor. It was as much as we could afford, and I remember eating a lot of pasta and peas over the course of that. And I also remember being quite irritated with the first month of lessons because my tutor was concentrating on really, really simple things. It's what is 10 plus 2? And I know what 10 plus 2 is. Why am I eating pasta and peas in order for you to teach me this? But what he was doing is he was teaching me to slow down and to explain my thinking and to write down my working at every step of an equation. And that really helped. It took me up from a C or D student across the board to an A or A star student at GCSE. And it was just because being able to stay calm when you're posed with a question that you don't know the answer to. If you freak out, you won't get those points. If you're calm and you just, maybe you can take a good guess at it and you'll get some points. So that was the struggles that I had, and my mum got me an amazing tutor in order to help fix that, and it had the consequences of helping my grades across the board. Thank you.